So let's talk about fat loss, weight loss, why you struggle. Listen up. I've been coaching women for years. Every time I coach someone, I always start in a different way because people sign up for fitness coaching. The conversation always starts like this. I'm a mom of two. I work full time. I'm really tired. I can't wake up in the morning. I struggle with packing my lunch. I'm mentally tired. By the time I get home, I have to quickly grab food, shove food down my kid's throat, and get them in the car. Sometimes they do homework in the car. By the time I get home, it's 9 o'clock and I'm just exhausted and just don't have time to work out. What kind of coaching do they really want?
That's really where mindset comes in. And that's what you talk a lot about is the mind.
Mind.
It's not saying, I can't, or how do I, it's yourself. It's the relationship that you're building with yourself. You're saying, I need to do this thing if I'm going to achieve.
You signed up for fitness coaching. Tool number 1, I'm giving you a lemon. You have to make lemonade. That's the first step. Are we clear? You know what to do?
Did you give me the recipe or am I looking up the recipe?
I just gave you a lemon. You're holding the lemon.